Angie Barnett, president and CEO of the Better Business Bureau of Greater Maryland, says scammers are trying to profit from the devastation caused by Hurricane Harvey and Hurricane Irma. They're selling flooded cars.
They can literally have them turned around and flooding our market within days. And that's the thing we want to be careful of.
It's estimated that Harvey flooded more than 500,000 vehicles in Texas. Barnett says used car lots will replace inventory with flooded vehicles that have been cleaned out.
Look at the screws that mount the seat to the car. If the screws have been freshly replaced, that might be an indicator that the seats were removed for the carpet to be dried and cleaned.
Barnett recommends getting a Carfax report or have a trusted mechanic check out the vehicle. Another scam to be leery of is investment fraud, people looking to help rebuild hurricane-ravaged communities.
These are really Ponzi schemes. They are designed to capitalize on the desire to help, the desire to make a buck.
Barnett says watch out for red flags like unsolicited emails or social media messages asking for donations.
What you want to do is ask yourself, is this the smartest way and the smartest time to invest? Don't hurry into it, and always use an investor that is registered with the SEC.
Barnett says before you hand over your hard-earned cash, do your research to make sure you are donating to a legitimate organization. For more information on how you can protect yourself and stay safe, just go to our website, WBALTV.com. We have everything you need to know right on our website. Reporting downtown, Karen Campbell, WBAL TV 11 News.